Hey, what's up friends? We made it over to Whidbey Island. Guys, we're in the Pacific Northwest for a few different reasons. But of course, when we're on this island, we're gonna be telling people about Jesus. We're gonna be telling them about the love of Christ. So, hey, stay with us as we tour a bit of Whidbey Island. One of the main reasons we were on Whidbey Island was for the Whidbey Island Fair. So we captured a bunch of really fun footage and we want to share some of that with you right here.
Colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the skies, also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying how do you do. They're really saying I love you.
Someone hang on to that. Don't throw things, please, okay? Oh, look at that. You can pop it if it gets near you, but throwing things often come down on other people.
Yippee-ki-yi-oh, rockin' to and fro, back in the saddle again. You gotta do it. Yippee-ki-yi, go my way. Perfect. Back in the saddle, back in the saddle, I'm back in the saddle again.
Next thing you know, the fair was over, and just like they say, every good thing has to come to an end. So friends, we didn't get as much time as we wanted traveling around the island. Luckily, we've been here before. We were able to see a really cool fort that they have. And next thing you know, we were back on the ferry, and this gentleman was serenading everybody. So then we were just watching the waves crash and enjoying ourselves. And next up, we were over to see Jolene's uncle. Now this is Uncle Steve, and be looking out for this video, friends, because we sat down for an interview with him, talked about all kinds of things of the Lord. But this is what we do. We keep bringing you prayer travel adventures. So we hope that you guys will hang with us, subscribe if you haven't, hit the like button, write us a comment if you've been over here to Whidbey Island, and we'll see you in the next video.